Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to be showing you how to use event tags to place a large number of image galleries on a particular web page. Event tags are useful if you have a high volume of images and don't want to spend time putting individual galleries onto the web page. First, you'll need to add an event tag to a particular event. If you go to the Images tab, you can select which event that you would like to add to the page. Click on that event and here you will see all of the images in that event. If you head over to Basic Details, you can see the event tag field here. I'm going to use the wedding event tag and then click Save Details. If you head back to the page you would like this event to show up on, you'll need to add an event widget to the page. If you click the Add Widget button and select the Events widget, here you will see two different options, single and multiple events. For the event tags we want to use the multiple events. Make sure Custom Event Settings is selected here, and under Tags, add the same tag you added to the event, which was Wedding, and click Save. Go ahead and preview that, and you can see here all of these events showing up on this page have the wedding tag added in their basic details. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.